The next return measure is the equity return multiplier that we discussed in the last video. Unlike the last three measurements, the value drivers are not related by addition and subtraction, but by multiplication and division. The fundamental unit of value creation is the GP's gross multiple of invested capital, which is 2.0x here. Value drivers that are bigger than 1 work to drive the gross multiple higher, and value drivers that are less than 1 work to drive the gross multiple lower. For example, the fund ownership multiplier of 0.97x indicates dilution, and it explains why the GP's multiple slightly underperforms the entire shareholder group, who have a total equity return of 2.07x. The GP's return is the product of this 0.97 and 2.07, which gives us the gross multiple of invested capital of 2.0x. Likewise, the product of the unlevered return and the leverage effect gives us the isomeric return multiplier. The product of EBITDA growth and multiple expansion gives us the unlevered return multiplier. And if you take the product of the multipliers for EBITDA growth, multiple expansion, and leverage effect and fund ownership impact, you get the GP's gross multiple of 2.0x.